Hi friends, here's a story about growing carrots called Carrots Underground. You can see here's the soil, and above the soil you see the carrot tops, but below you see the carrots growing in the ground. It's called a root vegetable. Find out. Under the soil, green stems and leaves sprout from the soil. Underground, vegetables grow larger and larger and larger every day. Plant roots grow underground. People eat the roots of some plants. Carrots are one kind of root vegetable. Growing. Carrots start as tiny seeds, like right here. Look how tiny next to a person's finger. They're planted in a cool weather. In 1 to 3 weeks, seedlings slowly grow above the soil. Under the soil, the carrots grow larger and thicker. Deep, loose soil helps the carrots grow long and straight. Look at that. Look how it's growing. All the way down to there. Does it look like the carrots you eat yet? It's getting there. Long stems and lacy leaves grow from the carrot tops. Look at that. After 2 to 3 months, crunchy vegetables are pulled from the ground. Look, they're all ready. Now they look like the vegetables you eat. Flowers and seeds. Carrots that stay underground all winter grow flowers and seeds the next year. Later, the tiny carrot seeds become new carrot plants. That's pretty cool. Something new. I didn't know that. Many vegetables grow underground. Many vegetables grow the way carrots do. Radishes, beets, and parsnips are other root vegetables. Parsnips kind of look like carrots, but they're a different color. Onions and potatoes start their life in the ground too. Vegetables grow underground gives us a healthy food to eat. Here's onions and potatoes. And the tops of the onions are called green onions. Isn't that fun? Now here's a story called Growing Vegetable Soup. How many of you like to eat vegetable soup? I do. Dad says we are going to grow vegetable soup. We're ready to work, and our tools are ready too. Here's our rake, our shovel, and our hoe. We are planting the seeds. Let's see, there's green bean seeds, pea seeds, corn seeds, zucchini squash, and look at those tiny carrot seeds. And they all sprout. And giving them water. Look at that, they're all underground. This one, the onion is starting to sprout, and so is the corn and the potato. And wait for warm sun to make them grow. Look at that, they're all starting to sprout and grow. They're starting to bud a little bit. I started a green pepper plant at my house, and I have it on my windowsill inside, and it's just starting to grow little leaves like this, little flowers, and grow into plants. We watch them, over them, and weed them. If there's weeds, you have to pull them away until the vegetables are ready for us to pick. Yum, there's a pepper and tomatoes. Or dig them up like potatoes and carrots and carry home. Then we wash them and cut them and put them in the pot of water. Look at that, how yummy does that look? And cook them until they're vegetable soup. At last, it's time to eat it all up. It was the best soup ever. Can you try that at home? And we can grow it again next year. How fun. Now we're going to grow our own vegetable soup garden. Here is our pot. and our vegetables and our garden. So you're going to put your two pieces of paper together and have an adult help you cut out the vegetables, and you're going to lay them in your garden. Then you're going to decide when it's time to put them into the pot and stir them up, and you're going to have vegetable soup. Enjoy. Bye, friends.